Welcome to the big, beautiful Bella San Luci kitchen, where I've just finished cooking the 3 finalists for this 2023 recipe contest. The winner is, hold on, have to read this, Bella Barbacoa Tuscan Corn Tortas Ahogada. So this winner, which is a creative torta based on a Mexican and Tuscan combination of flavors, has a corn cake at its base, barbacoa beef, long cooked pot roast, all seasoned with 6 different ingredients that are in our repertoire for the most wonderful flavor. Delicious, creative, lots of our products. Chef Leah Lyon has knocked it out of the park with this torta barbacoa Tuscan recipe. Maybe follow this and you too can win $2,500 in our contest. The second place dish submitted by Mary Shivers is for a Tuscan-inspired eggplant parmesan. Mary put our sun-dried tomatoes into our artichoke tomato pasta sauce to make a whole new sauce that you can do yourself. It would make a great cream sauce with our sun-dried tomatoes and lots of other interesting ways to use our products. So Chef Mary uses our sauce and our sun-dried tomatoes for a wonderful traditional but new take on how to make eggplant parmesan with the Parmesan cheese in the breading, the mozzarella on top, and sun-dried tomatoes finishing the dish with a wonderful flurry of basil. Our third place dish, submitted by Chef Keith Collins, is for a sea bass or other whitefish that you can decide on. He says that in the recipe, with a wonderful relish. And this dish is the simplest of the 3. Quick, simple, also Mediterranean diet. The unique elements of this dish include a giardiniera with green olives, black olives on the side, yellow bell pepper for crunch and freshness to make a wonderful new relish I've never tasted before in my life, and makes a unique entry into our recipe contest. Congratulations to our 3 winners. This year's recipe contest has been a creative, delicious adventure for me. I'm so grateful. Please do send in your recipes with a way to use all of our products and make your delicious contribution to the Bella San Luci family. Arrivederci.